That is cool. Yeah, she's a goner. Okay, well, this one spent some time in the forest. Imperial operating instructions. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back at one of my favorite places here on God's earth. This is Copart, and I am looking for some strange cars or trucks to put on the channel, something to bring you that you never see. This, I think, used to have its own television show. This car right here. This, if I'm right, is amazing. There you see before you the coolest car here in the lot, I think. Check this out. Was it the Green Hornet that drove these? I don't know. That was even before my time, I think. 1966 Chrysler Imperial. Look at this. These things are still good. Look at this. In green, this is perfect for the Green Hornet. I don't know why it's so tall. I just saw it and I came running. Oh my. What a fun car to rebuild. Look how set in the wheel is. That's a good foot inside the fender. I don't know what's going on. Is there somebody back down in there hiding this? Oh, you know what? Uh-oh. Ha! I think I know why. Can you figure it out? Ha! Something's missing. Look at the back wheel too. Look how far in they are from the quarter panel. You got a gigantic trunk. Oh, look at this. That is cool. Holy moly, no, this didn't light up, but that would be cool if you could make that light up. This is for your gas. Ha! Okay. Is it locked? It is. Well, once again, I can't get in. Oh my gosh. What are the body panels like? I mean, there is some scratching. Nothing, I don't see anything major so far. Okay, I guess this had a vinyl roof back in the day and somebody took it off. Whoa! Look how far this is from here. Look at that, and you have your automatic antenna for 1966. All right, here's what is going on underneath. Ugh. Here it is. This is what's missing right there. Someone done took the engine. So the whole suspension, there's nothing holding it down. That just shows you how heavy those engines are back in the day. Whoa. Okay, so this engine is in, what does this say? Equipped with a car kit. I can't read this, my shadow's in the way. Car kit NOx control system. The distributor vacuum spark advance mechanism must remain deactivated. Blah, 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 blah. Adjust carburetor to best lean idle. Check cooling system for leaks. Defective cap and plug every 12,000 miles. Wow. You would think I would read better after being a news anchor for so long. Yeah, my vision is not what it used to be. I got them floaters, if you know what I'm talking about. This, and once again, look at this. Oh, this is begging for, well, an LS swap. Let's put an LS in it. Yeah, that'll make it go fast. That's what everybody does. But look at the design, the features, the headlight, how cool. Oh my, and the interior. Oh, look how the doors work. That one seems to be out a little bit. Ooh, this is your door pull. Oh, that's amazing. And of course, everybody gets their own cigarette lighter. Here's some of your exhaust pieces, a fan. Look at the, oh. Let's see how these seats feel. I'm going in. It's like your grandma's couch. It really is. And look at they have this right here. That is so cool. Headliner is perfect. You got your little hanger for your suit or your coat right there, and the steering wheel. Oh. Okay, we're going up front. I guess this has power windows too. Is that what this is? Look at that. Bzzz, bzzz. How nice. That is remarkable. Yep, power windows. Look at the switches. Look, and your door lock. Woo! I guess, what does this do? Like you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I don't know. Maybe that's for your mirrors? This is amazing. Okay. These seats are in great shape, and the padding, absolutely. 29,865 miles. And look, you have your oil pressure, temperature, gasoline, PRND21. You have your alternator, which is cool. Air conditioning. Max cool, fresh cool. Oh, what does this do? Oh, antenna. This will make your antenna go up and down. Here's your ignition key. You have auto and pilot, whatever that's for. Rear air. You have your wipers right here. You have your mirror. Does it work? Absolutely. See it move? Of course that works. And what is this? Oh, your lights. There's your lights. You have floor air right there. And remember these little buttons I'm hitting? High and low beam. Oh my gosh. Imperial crown. Oh, look, we even have the book for it. No way. Imperial operating instructions. Instrument cluster details. How to drive. Oh, this is amazing. I would love to have this. What do you think? Would you drive this? Would you restore this? Wow. Look how thin it is, too. Oh, here we go. This is vehicle identification. RS Seabrook. Delivered to McCune Motors in National City, California. Can you see that? There we go. Wow. This booklet is amazing. Okay. And you even get the little cover for it. And stickers when they would change your oil. Remember back in the day? Oh, all right. I could be in here forever. How? Look at this, though. Look how nice that is. So thin. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, I love it. I really do. This would be so fun. Teeny tiny little mirror. And look how you can change it. And then you got day and night. You switch it. There. Yeah. Oh, that is cool. Okay, well, woo, what do you think about this? Mikey loves this. AM radio. And you push buttons. You got a map light right here. What is this? Another cigarette lighter. Oh, okay, I can't. I got to get out. I got to get out. Thank you very much. Ugh. Chrysler, I think you're amazing. You need an engine. Oh, look. You even get, wow, more storage right in here. But this, my favorite feature. I love it. Well, I've recently become a Volvo guy. Yep, if you haven't seen the videos, I do have that 850 from 1997. It's the wagon, it's the T5 Turbo, and I love it. And hopefully a timing belt will be delivered today so we can continue with that video. This is a newer one. This is a 2010, is that what this is? XC60 in silver. So it's like a wagon, a little bit taller, smaller than the XC90, which I had back in the day, but just as comfortable. Okay, this is all-wheel drive, which is fantastic. Damage, well, tires look amazingly good. A lot of tread on the tires. It's a nice silver. There is a dent right here. I don't see just a ton of damage. You got your tow hook that they have been using. You are missing part of the rubber molding, the plastic molding at the bottom of the door there, and there are some clear coat issues. Lost type is normal wear, so I don't see anything wrong with this. A little touch up paint right there would help. But sniff test, smells like a scented interior, kind of a candy smell. These are comfortable. It's not the biggest car, okay? You don't get a whole bunch of seat right here. A whole bunch of room right there for your legs. But Volvo makes some of the most comfortable seats in the business. They all feel amazing. Even the old one that I have feels amazing. And I do like this. I think this is nice. And you can put things back under here. I don't know how familiar you guys are with these Volvos, but what I am seeing is kind of a resurgence in the old wagons. I'm seeing lots of kids, well, 20 to 30, buying old Volvo wagons and bringing them back to life, and they love them, like the V70, the A50 like I have, even the older ones, which would be what, the 240, I think? I don't know. I can't really remember, but this is nice. I really do. I like this. I don't know if we have power or not. So let's take a look. Uh-oh. What is this? Why is this? Oh, that's just your OBD2. Well, maybe it just popped through. Or maybe they were messing with it. I don't know. Push and pull for that. There's your hood latch. Let's look under the hood and see what we got. We got us some power. So let's just kind of see what's going to happen. Start and stop engine. Push right here. Uh-oh. Oh. What is that? Oh, that's the rear windshield wiper. I don't want that. She doesn't sound very good at all. We almost a full tank of gas. Yeah, we got us a problem. 182,000 miles, and we have a check engine light. She's not. Yeah, she's got some issues. Uh-oh. Well, can you see what's happening back there? Yeah, that's still going. Stop. Okay, stop. I don't want all these things to go. There, now we turn it off. I like it when it has the direction in your rearview mirror. Stop. That gets annoying when you hit that. Yeah, she's a goner. I'm guessing that's a compression issue. It just sounds kind of weird. I hope not. Stop. So let's take this out. Yeah, and we will just say thank you for entertaining us for a little bit. And we're just going to have to walk away from this because this is, woo, yeah, that's a thing. And finally, perhaps one of my most loved vehicles of all time. If you don't know much about the ML Mercedes, you need to, because these things are basically indestructible, okay? They are amazing cars. This is an 03 Inspiration model, so it's gonna have the cool wood. The common problem on these front and rear bumpers, and right here, okay, these pieces get so brittle that if a car taps them or you happen to bump into something, they're gonna crack. Now you can get replacement covers. They're still gonna be a little more pliable. That's why you're going to see a lot of these in the junkyards. Once they crack the bumpers, an average person isn't gonna spend, $1,000 or more to get a new bumper. The insurance company is just gonna write it off. Like I said, you can get replacement bumpers for about $300. You're gonna have to get them painted or paint them yourself, which is what I do, okay? This one has a pinstripe, which I'm not a favorite of. The tires are okay. There is some tread on them. You do have some damage right here. These can always be cleaned, and it looks like this one, the front bumper, is in really good condition, so there's no damage there. But this is full-time, four-wheel drive, and these have taken me everywhere, okay? Absolutely everywhere. In fact, I'll admit it, I have one of these right now. I don't think I put it on the channel yet, but I bought another one, so it's probably the 5th or 6th that I've had because they are so good. And in snow, they are amazing. The seats are nice. It's a nice driving position. Here you can see the different wood. It's almost that burl wood, the gray, which is nice. The other common problem is the sound on these, okay? You can send it off and get the sound fixed. The sound works on the CD, but it doesn't work on the radio. No matter how you adjust the knob right here, most people just put in a doubled-in stereo with a backup camera and all the goodies, Bluetooth and all of that, okay? But the insides are quiet. They are comfortable. The leather really holds together well. This is the first time I've seen a seat kind of ripped like this. This car may have been abused, but if you're looking for something inexpensive that's going to get you to and from wherever you want to go, and it's going to get you there in the wintertime when it's snowing, you really need to consider the ML350, 320, 500, or the ML55. I've had the ML55. I've had all of them. The ML55 was a beast. It's a little stiffer ride. The suspension is a little stiffer. The engine is amazing. I think I had an 03 or 04. And at the time, it was the fastest SUV in the world, about 140 miles an hour. Oh, look at that. That's unfortunate. Yeah, this guy just pulled up. He said this one has already sold, but you can see someone has kind of put in some screws right there for it to keep that attached. But these are really, really, really nice cars. I'm not going to get in because I don't want to get anything dirty. And unfortunately, there is no power for this. We'll try to do it, but there's no power and it's not going to work. Okay, I'll show you the engine very quickly, but once again, you really got to look at these because they are such amazing cars. And your hood pull is right under here. You lift it up and there you go. Oh, okay, well this one's spent some time in the forest. Yeah, look at this. This is nice. Okay, well, she is, yeah, she's a mess, but you know what? Give her some power, I guarantee you she's going to start because they're bulletproof. These are amazing good cars. So please, 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 if you're looking for an SUV, consider the ML. I highly, highly, highly recommend them. I have done a lot of work on the newer model, but these things are very, very nice. All right, that is going to do it for this video, everybody. A huge thanks to everybody at Copart. I certainly appreciate them letting me come out here and take a look at all of these cars and trucks and SUVs. The guy just told me, like I said, that ML has sold, so another smart purchase from a smart buyer. But there are so many cars out here. I could spend all day. I really, really could. Unfortunately, my battery is about to die on the phone, so we're going to call it quits. We're going to say thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you again very, very soon, everybody, okay? See ya!